4 tips to help you maintain your cleaning routine. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Establishing a cleaning routine goes a long way in helping you conquer the mess at home. It is also a great way to manage your cleaning time and the chores involved in the process better. All professional home cleaners recommend that you establish a routine, in case you haven't already. Establishing a cleaning routine is somewhat easy. The trick is learning to maintain it. There are a lot of things that can derail your routine and reduce its effectiveness. It is up to you to prevent that. The best way is to identify the most common pitfalls and learn how to avoid them. That way you will keep your routine and effectively clean your home. Number 1. Divide up your home in levels. If you live in a big house, apart from setting up chores for different days of the week, you can also divide duties by levels. What does this mean? For example, you can allocate main floor cleaning tasks for week 1 of the month. Top floor takes week 2. Go back to the main floor as the most used in week 3, and finally deal with the basement in week 4. In doing so, you can tackle your entire home in a month and know when the focus should fall on. Number 2. Don't think that cleaning happens only during the day. A lot of cleaning routines focus on the fact that cleaning takes part only during the day. Alas, there are only limited hours during the day, so apparently, that is one strategy that doesn't always work. But why should you clean during the day? Why not deal with some cleaning at night? For example, if you take a late shower, you can still wipe the bathroom. Once you have finished dinner, you can do a quick wipe of the area. Yes, there is hardly any time to do difficult chores, but you can deal with some minor ones at night. Number 3. Remember to stay consistent. It is very important to stick to your scheduled chores on a daily basis. Remember that doing part of the chores every single day is much better than not doing the task. The idea of a cleaning routine is to do something little each day and not let tasks build up to be nearly impossible to complete. It is okay to take longer to complete chores, but it is not okay to skip them. Remember this. Number 4. Get others involved. Even if you have the perfect routine, it means nothing if others don't follow it, or at the very least pitch in to help you out. You can have your significant other, children and other relatives you live with on the same page about cleaning and maintaining the routine you have set up. That way there will be less room for error. By employing these foolproof methods for staying on track with your cleaning routine, you guarantee that home cleaning will be a success. For the times that your routine falls off track, you can always rely on FastKlean to help you out. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite you to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean, a greener and healthier future.